Hello and welcome to Simply Learn Stuff. In this video, we will take a quick overview of conditional formatting. Conditional formatting has various presets such as greater than, less than, which will be able to highlight numbers depending on a value entered, as well as values between, equal to, or even text where you can highlight text that contains specific letters or even specific words. It also has date occurring, where you can choose from various different type of date options. You can also highlight duplicate values. You can also choose from presets such as top 10 items, top 10 by percentage, bottom 10 items, bottom 10 by percentage, or to highlight above or below average. In column F, we have some salary information, and this can also allow to be filled by gradient. Gradient fill fills the cell depending on the number value. It matches up the different values and puts them together on a scale from 0 to 100%, and then fills the individual cells depending on the value. A higher value means the cell will be filled more, whereas a lower value means the cell will be filled less. There is different types of color schemes or even solid fills that can be chosen. You can also choose from color scales, where the color will change depending on the value. You can also use icon sets with various different types of options. It even has the new rule option that has various different types of unique functions, or you can even specify your own formula or function to create a custom conditional formatting. For now, go ahead and play around with the default settings of conditional formatting, such as highlighting the salary info and then choosing above average. This will highlight all the cells with the value that is above the average. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to like and subscribe.